Spot the Difference is a fun and interactive game that challenges players to identify differences between two similar images. With uPresenter, you can create an engaging and visually appealing version of this game without needing advanced programming skills. Before getting started, let's sign up for an uPresenter account in the link in the description below, or you can search the website displayed on the screen. Now, follow these steps to build your own game. The first step is preparing your images. To create the Spot the Difference game, you need to prepare images with nearly identical parts with subtle differences. But do you know? uPresenter lets you generate such an image by AI right within the tool with a few clicks. The second step is setting up your uPresenter slide deck. On the home page, you click Open Blank here. Choose a desired theme. Click on the Questions section in the left pane, then select Hotspot. Type the question title. Now you upload a prepared image from your computer. Double-click it to adjust its size if needed. Or you can generate a new image using AI. Enter your prompt. Note that the prompt should be describing the scene you want and as detailed as possible. For example, I'm going to generate 2 images with 5 differences, including 2 houses with slight variations. Differences in the windows, chimneys, and the presence of a squirrel outside. All other details should remain identical. You can also generate an AI image with several styles, aspect ratios, and more image models for different uses. If you're still not satisfied with the result, you can enhance your prompt by AI with more details. Next, you need to add hotspots as clickable areas where players can tap or click to select a difference. To add hotspots quickly, you can use Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V commands to copy and paste. That's super easy, and you're done. Additionally, you can assign different correct and incorrect feedback messages to make the players more engaged. Before you share it with your audience, always test it out. Once you're satisfied, just publish the game and send the link to others. And that's it. You've just created a super fun Spot the Difference game using uPresenter. Not only that, you can create many other types of e-learning games, such as matching game, label the objects' names, or drop-down vocabulary game. Let me know in the comments if you're interested in any type of game, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. See you next time.